Hello everyone, my name's James and this is my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you a brief introduction to the kinds of things that you can expect me to talk about in the future. The main topic of conversation will be film cameras and any associated bits that I think are worth talking about. This might include tutorials for using and owning film cameras, comparisons to digital cameras with advantages and disadvantages of each type, camera and gear reviews, as well as top tips and tricks for getting into and succeeding in this rewarding hobby. I'll aim to cover a range of bases, taking deep dives into simple key concepts, so whether you're a beginner or an expert, there'll certainly be something for everyone. Later videos might also look into the science of film photography, as I personally find that an understanding of this can greatly improve the enjoyment and satisfaction of using film, largely because film photography is such a hands-on, experimental thing. That's a brief idea of what you can expect in the coming weeks, and that's just about all I have to say for now, so if any of that sounds at all interesting to you, please do like, subscribe, and stick around so you don't miss out on any updates. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.